guys, welcome to my first official vlog in this house, the Germany house, which is crazy. This is my first vlog in the Germany house. Like, the fact that we're here, the fact that this is my life. Happy Thursday. I usually don't put this much makeup on, but I was just bored. Andy's at work right now. His work schedule is pretty consistent to what it was back in Leavenworth, so it's not that bad. I'm just in an empty house. Not entirely empty because we did bring 8 suitcases with us, and I've actually been here for a while now. It's gonna be 2 weeks on Saturday. I'm actually gonna change my shirt. I thought it looked cute, and then I was looking at it and I was like, girl, it looks like you're wearing a poncho. So I'm gonna go change it and then I'll get back. So right now I am in the guest bathroom. Honestly, I feel like this is probably gonna be my bathroom. Not probably, it is gonna be my bathroom. It's super big, I really love it. It does have double sinks, but this is technically the guest bathroom. So like when my little brother comes and stays with me, or when my family comes and stays with me, this is the bathroom they'll most likely be using. They will definitely be using. Yeah. So you guys, I have some food. I was gonna go on a bike ride, but then I was like, I'm really hungry, so let me just eat. Sorry for the terrible lighting as well. I got some mozzarella toast with basil. Andy's gonna get home in about an hour and a half, so I'm just gonna eat, watch some videos on my phone if they can load. Today's actually my dad's birthday, so I'm really excited because after our bike ride, we're gonna ride to McDonald's and get some Wi-Fi because we don't have any Wi-Fi at the house still. We've been on the waiting list here in Graf for, I believe, 4 weeks, because the fact that I waited 4 weeks to get a fucking modem and a router installed in this house really frazzles me. But anyways, I'm gonna eat and then I will be right back. Honestly, you guys, my life in this house is pretty boring. I don't do anything. And I also like really want to vlog, but I don't know what to talk about. And I really don't want to talk about like PCSing because PCSing was so stressful. Being reminded of it is just not a good vibe. It's not a good time. We've been really into riding our bikes since we've been in Germany. Granted, we don't have a car. The truck does not get shipped until August 30th, so an entire month, which is very unfortunate. But you know what? We're taking this time, well, I'm gonna take this time to just be really grateful for what I do have. And what I do have are working feet. And those feet can ride a bike, which I'm very proud of myself because I didn't think I could ride a bike because I was terrified of bikes for the longest time. Now I'm like, I love riding my bike. It's the funnest thing ever. I love riding bikes with Andy. It's just super fun. We also do live in Graf, and we don't live on base, we live off base. So I feel like we live pretty close to everything. I don't want to like say exactly where we live just because I feel like if I throw things out there, because Graf is so small, people are going to know exactly where we live. And I just feel like I am still, you know, I'm in a new environment, I'm in a new place. So I feel like I do get really nervous about certain things, like I'm not 100% comfortable yet. So yeah, I really want to go on a bike ride.
Yes, hello.
Say hi, baby.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello. Hello, humans.
Hello. Oh, this is also the first little sneak peek to our house. This is the living room, you guys. This is what we have going on.
That's all you get.
Yeah, and then we got this little window and then a fan, and then that's the dining room where I was recording before. And yeah. You guys, Andy ran 4 miles today doing a village run, which congratulations, baby. You're a badass. All right, I'm gonna get ready for our bike ride. All right, I'm so excited to show you guys this little bike path. We've been doing it for I've been doing it the entire time that we've been living here, which is like almost 2 weeks, and it's been like the highlight of my days. It's so pretty and I'm obsessed. This is our garage. We just put our bikes. There's my brother's bike. Because he came biking with us last weekend. And then let me show you guys my bike actually. My brother put 2 baskets on it. That way when we go to the grocery store, I could put some stuff in it. And I bought it at the PX. So if you guys are at the PX in Graf, I saw they restocked it like the same color, the mint green. And it even has like mint embroidery stitching, I don't know, but it's super cute. I just added the baskets and it has like a bell and everything. You guys, Andy left me.
Just for a second.
All right, you guys, so we discovered this new trail. It's by a school, but I don't know what that sign says.
I think that means dead end.
I think that does. What was up there?
Just a bunch of houses and stuff. But yeah, the sushi places are there.
Oh, okay, well, I think that's to the street. Huh. Oh no, I think that is dead end. Anyways, we're gonna go back into the forest. So let's go. This view is. We cross this little river every day. It's actually right behind our house if you follow this river. Say what's up, baby.
Hello.
Guys, we're at McDonald's. What are you gonna get, baby? What kind of sausage? Kind of weird on this camera, but they have sour cream sauce, cocktail dip, sheen sauce, chili sauce. What you want, honey?
Try that one. See, this looks good.
Ooh, Andy's trying to take me to eat ice cream. That looks so good, baby.
You look good.
You guys, Andy accidentally ordered shrimp.
It was still good though.
It was so good, but he went back to order another little wrap because
Shrimps.
you guys, we got ice cream. Good morning vlog. It is Saturday morning, but today we're actually going to be riding to these series of lakes that are in the next village over. I have never seen them before. I've only seen them on my Google Maps. Last weekend when my little brother came out here, the three of us rode our bikes, and I just feel like when I was in 6th grade, I broke my hand, my elbow. I actually shattered my elbow like this and like that upways. You know how like when you break something, it breaks like in half like that? Well, mine broke in the middle. I just remember like the doctors saying like that pain was comparable to like giving a birth with like nothing, which I don't know how you can compare a broken arm to giving birth, but you know. After that incident, I never rode a bike again, and it's been so fun to just learn again and get on a bike. I literally feel like a little kid. Like I put my music on and I'm like, oh, like this is the life. If you guys haven't ridden a bike as an adult, I would highly suggest that you guys do it. It definitely takes you back to like your childhood. Anyways, you guys, so yeah, we're gonna go to the lake. I'm gonna pack like a little blanket for us so we could sit down. I hope we could sit down somewhere, and I hope the mosquitoes don't attack us too much. I'm actually wearing this tank top, but I'm gonna put a sweater over it. It's not too cold, it's not too hot outside. It's like 70s with some wind, so I feel like I'll be good, and I hope that the mosquitoes won't get me. You guys see, like I have a mosquito bite right here, I have a mosquito bite right here, I got one like right here, and then they're like all over my body, I'm all over my back, so fucking mosquitoes be fucking with me. Baby, did you eat your toast already?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
10 seconds later.
We're like destroyed by mosquito bites right now. Are we not?
We are.
Everybody kept commenting. I posted a picture of Andy on my story, and everybody kept commenting that they could see your mosquito bites on the back of your legs. Give it my video. We're living our life in Germany.
You can call me Hans.
Huh?
You can call me Hans.
Why?
Oh, that's a nice German name.
Is it?
I have no idea.
Anyways, you guys, let's get to riding on bicycles. Our bikes are literally right there. Found this little bench right here. And I kind of want to get in the water even though it's really dark. I want to say it's like, I don't know if you guys can see. The water's pretty clear because I can see all the way to the bottom. It's just dark. It's so beautiful out here. You have to speak up because it's windy.
We're just chilling at the lakes.
It's so beautiful out here.
Hello, Miss Hiking Stick.
I found a hiking stick. No, I'm serious. People all the time, like they go out of their ways to get sticks like this. And I just found it. So it was meant to be lying.
Well, you look cute with your stick.
Not kidding, Andy. People really have hiking sticks.
I don't care, baby.
I don't know how I'm gonna get it back on the bike. Andy said that the cops are gonna stop.
You're gonna think it's a weapon.
The policia is gonna stop me and be like, ma'am. But they don't know if this was my hiking stick from like back home.
Not that.
How are they gonna tell if it's a German stick? Look at my baby daddy. We are gonna go grocery shopping today, which I'm really excited because it's our first time grocery shopping with our, oh, my eyebrows look dark. This is our first time grocery shopping in the bikes. Baby, can you pause that movie? I gotta go pee, and then we're gonna go to Aldi's. And yeah, we're in the kitchen. It's really messy. I would give you guys a tour, but it's really messy, and you guys can see there's a huge nice window right here. And also my basil plant. I bought this basil plant last week with my brother. It's kind of dying already, which fuck. I really don't have a green thumb. Like, what the fuck? I water it too. Okay, so this is it basically. Y'all seeing it. We got a little fridge with a lot of space up there. We got more pantries. We got a tiny little sink. It's also really dirty. And There's a mess over here. Oh yeah, the trash situation. Honestly, I agree with it because save this earth. This earth deserves the best. So we do a lot of, why it's mandatory here, but you have to separate all your trash, which I really fuck with. So yeah, I bought that coffee machine and it broke the second time I used it. The fucking PX, ghetto as hell. Also, here's my insanely hot husband. I need to go to the bathroom and then we are gonna go to the store. So let's go. All right, you guys, we just got done with our shopping at Aldi's. Here we are. Here's my bike, like loaded. We have like 2 things with our groceries for the week. We didn't get chicken and we also didn't find heavy whipping cream. So we need to get that. And then the front of my basket is the eggs. The only bad thing is that I'm working on going on mile 12 and I'm really tired and we have to get one last hill in.
If you want to check Etika, I can stay with the bikes outside.
No, I'm good, baby.
You here?
Etika is also over here, you guys. So it's Aldi's and then this other store named Etika that Abraham showed us. And Etika is where we get our coffee. They have really good coffee there. But now we're gonna work on mile 12 or 13.
I think we're going on 12.
Mile 12.
We're gonna hit 13 by the time we get big.
Mile 13. Well, yeah. So wish me luck. Hopefully I make it up the hill.